Hi friends, in this video I am going to show how to replace the lead acid batteries inside the online UPS with lithium ferrophosphate batteries. So I have the model APC online UPS. So the model number is BX1100C and it supports two batteries in the series mode and the capacity will be 660 watt. Let me remove the back cover of UPS. Okay, after removing this cap, so we have two batteries connected in series. So let's remove those two batteries. So this is 7.2Ah battery. The brand is APC. So this is also APC brand. Let's keep it away. So this is plus and this is minus. So we have to connect this lithium ferrophosphate batteries in series. These are the two batteries I purchased. One is in December, another one is recently. So I'm going to connect these two batteries in series to make 24 volt output. I'm going to replace the 7.2Ah batteries with 12Ah batteries. Connect the batteries in series, plus from another battery and minus is from another battery. Just connect it. So these two will become 24 volt. You need to connect these two terminals to the UPS circuit board. Currently I'm checking the voltage, so it is fully charged and it is 27.9 voltage it's showing. So both the batteries I have fully charged. Let's place these two batteries in this mounted place, and we can connect the plus with this positive wire with this plus and negative wire with this black wire. So you have to mount these batteries with male pins, because it will be easier to connect this female pins. So these pins actually it comes for the lead acid batteries. In case if you don't have it, you can just desolder here, and we can directly solder that lithium ferrophosphate batteries wires here, black and red. Now we have connected batteries to UPS. Let's turn on the UPS. Okay, it's working. And this is the battery saver mode. So this is also working. Let's check the voltage. Okay, it's showing 142. It's working. Now I connected the UPS to load. So we'll check what all the things are working.